Hello friends, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Rahul and today we are going to see how to select the heat shrink for your wire harness design. Okay, so those who are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel. It's my humble request to all of you because I am making lots of content on the design softwares. Okay, so during selection of the heat shrink, I have made this presentation so that you can understand this content in deep. Okay, so for now you can see left hand side there is a cable here. Okay, having OD 10 mm. This 10 mm, OD is with the insulation, and you can see here it is the strands, or we can say inside portion of the insulation or the conductor. Okay, so if we minus this insulation, okay, which is the outer part of the cable, from the cable if you minus, so conductor diameter will be 8 mm. Okay, so now, and right side here, this is the ring terminal. Here is the wire barrel having OD 12 millimeter. Okay, so this 12 millimeter means if you measure by vernier, this 12 meter will be measured from this to this. Okay, yeah, so this is the 12 millimeter OD of this ring terminal, or we can say wire barrel, where the wire is going to insert in this barrel. Okay, this portion is going to insert here, and after that it will be crimped, either it will be soldered. Okay, so at this time when this portion is inserted into this, after that we have to apply the heat shrink. Okay, but main question arises in all the design engineer, how to select heat shrink. Okay, so we just require two things: the cable OD which is 10 mm and the wire barrel OD which is 12 mm. Okay, because whenever you are going to insert, I will just show you the heat shrink how it will be inserted. Okay, when this portion is just assume this portion is inserted on in this barrel. Okay, so that time the HST should be, I will change the color actually, yeah, HST should be installed like this. Okay, it will be up to the end of the barrel, it should not touch to this ring terminal face and on this insulation. Okay, so you have to take near about 50% or near about 70% extra. Okay, just like we have to select proper shrink ratio. Okay, so here is the one trick, you can confirm, cross check how the heat shrink will be compatible with in this condition. Okay, so here is the heat shrink which is supplied OD 14 mm and shrink OD is 8 mm. Okay, so you have to find the heat shrink which having this criteria, which is supplied originally. It has in at current condition 14 millimeter diameter, and when you give heat to the heat shrink, then it start to shrinking. So the shrinking OD means then when you start heating, the diameter of the heat shrink started to reduce, so it should be reduced to 8 mm. Okay, why 8 mm and why it is 14 mm? Let's see here. Now cable OD is 10 mm, so whenever practically you are going to insert heat shrink into the cable, so the heat shrink diameter should be greater. So cable OD is 10 mm, so I have to supplied OD 14. So this heat shrink easily install in this cable, and then you have to consider this OD also, because once you insert the heat shrink in this cable, after crimping you have to insert over this barrel also. Okay, so what is the barrel OD? Barrel OD is 12 mm. So which is the maximum OD? Cable OD 10, wire barrel OD 12 mm. So greater than this OD, greater than 12 mm we have to be select. So I have selected 14 millimeter HST, and it is shrinking up to 8 mm. Why 8 mm? Because now the cable wood is 10 mm, right? So for factor of safety I have to catch it as 8 mm, where after heating it can shrink up to 8 mm and it will be the okay. So in this way you have to just select this heat shrink. So and heat shrink ratio, how to calculate? So we just have formula for that. Okay, so we'll also see how to calculate this shrink ratio. Let's wait. Yeah, now calculus is opening here. We have to just divide this supplied OD to the shrink OD, just like 1/4 is the supply OD and divided by 8 mm. Now 1.75 answer is there. So 1.75 is the heat shrink ratio for this heat shrink. Okay, so we got heat shrink, we got supplied OD, we have shrink OD. So according to that we have to select. Okay, now next I will also show you design point of view how to find perfect heat shrink from website. Let's give me a second. I am just connecting my internet to laptop, so I will show you directly where we get this cable wood 10 millimeter or ring terminal dia. Okay, I have just for a present, so just for understanding purpose I have drawn this, but I will also show you practically also. Okay, yeah. Okay, give me just 1 second. I'm just opening Chrome browser, and we'll find one cable, we'll find one terminal, and we'll also find the heat shrink. Okay, so now okay, after connecting it, so it will take little slow down the speed. Just search the any cable. Okay, or we can try with finding cable 10 mm dia. Just give me 2 minutes actually, because system yeah, cable 10 mm OD. Yeah, now net connected. Again search the cable 10 mm OD. Okay, okay, we see actually just facing the yeah, now net yeah, now getting the net access. Okay, okay, yeah, cable 10 millimeter. So now I am just finding any data sheet. We have to find the data sheet. Okay, so we'll get from IEWC. The one of the website is there, IEWC. On this website we will get lots of cable and wires. Okay, Yeah, here is the click on the first link. So yeah, the link is opening here. Actually we'll find one datasheet for cable, another datasheet for ring terminal, and third one how to find the heat shrink for both the. Yeah, yeah, on IEWC website lots of cable, different types of cables and wires are available. Okay, now yeah, just scroll down, you will get, yeah, here is the, okay, actually this gauge size is 10 mm square. Okay, I have to find first of all the data sheet. Where is the data sheet? Because data sheet finding is the sometime not critical task. Okay, we'll get multi-conductor cable, high voltage battery cable. Okay, in this category we'll take yeah, this high voltage battery cable. Okay, and then okay, on IWC this cable is not available for now. We'll go back side, automotive wire and cable. Then next the different category will open here. Okay, GXL wire, TXL wires are there. So I will, okay, take any one. This first one I will take GXL wire. Okay, instead of cable, wire will also be there. Okay. Now yeah, here the all information will get. We just want we have to find the data sheet actually. Yeah, okay, on this website for GXL lots of variety of. Okay, so let me choose any color, black color I will take. Gauge size, okay, I will take stranding, conductor metal. Okay, just scroll down, here are different types of wire, you can select from here also. Here is the gauge size, here are the colors, stranding, conductor metal, and here is the insulation material, XLP types. So it is one of the insulation material. And here is the voltage criteria. I am finding actually the, okay, they don't have given in millimeter, we have to take. Okay, we'll take 10, okay, this 10 gauge wire will take, and we'll check from data sheet. Okay, JXL 10 wire is this, and now gauge size is 10, color is black, stranding 19, and what actually I wanted to find is that, okay, data sheet. Okay, here is the data sheet actually. Okay, okay, here data sheet I'm not getting, but we'll try other website. Okay, okay, electrical Vago global website is there. On this website also we'll get cable and wire. So I'm just finding, because this is the way we have to do the research and analysis, we can say, or we have to find a lot of data. I'm just trying to find over here the any cable. Okay, otherwise GXL 10. Okay, I will directly put the data sheet for GXL wire 10 AWG. Yeah, here we go, JXL cable. Here we are getting some PDF. Yeah, here is the JXL wire, and as I just explained you, this is the insulation, this is the inside of the inside conductor. Okay, now this cable I am finding the diameter. Okay, here is the gauge size. Yeah, now as we just had discussion, cable OD 10 millimeter. Okay, so just see, here is there any 10 millimeter maximum conductor diameter. Okay, normal overall diameter. Yeah, actually here you can see maximum normal overall diameter is 4.70. Okay, so 10 millimeter is not there. Okay, so but for this cable we can calculate. Okay, now for this cable, if you take this part number, and this cable has total OD 4.70 and maximum conductor diameter. Overall OD is this, maximum conductor is this. Okay, so for this we will draw. I will first of all I will save this pen file. Okay, otherwise I can take the new file also, not necessary to save. Okay, just click on the file, take the new file. Yeah, click on the save, previously save. Okay, we have to save actually. So in the download, yeah, in the download I have saved by the two name. Okay, this one for now. Now yeah, now in this new paint window we'll design for this. Here is the nominal overall diameter, means with insulation 4.70. So okay, I am just taking the cable. Yeah, this is the 4.70. Okay, millimeter. Okay, this is the cable OD with including insulation. Okay, yeah, I think this will be visible to you, 7.70. And now what is the conductor maximum diameter? 2.87. so this is the 2.87. Okay, now yeah, now cable we got. Okay, so for this cable will be okay with the how much we require a ring terminal with having near about 3 millimeter inside diameter. Okay, so we'll find the ring terminal also. Here is the ring terminal. ID will put directly mm. Okay, then yeah, I am just getting one of the datasheet, copper lug. Okay, hope so we'll get that ring terminal which will be matched on this cable. So during your design skills or during doing job. These skills are required actually. Okay, so as a design engineer for electromechanical. Yeah, now here is the copper tube terminal. Okay, now I want to, for inner diameter should be 3 millimeter will be okay. Yeah, so yeah, here is the lugs, copper tube lug. Yeah, for in here you can see the structure. For insert dimension there is a capital A, so here is a capital A, here is the capital A, dimension A. So yeah, I want to find for 3 millimeter. Yeah, this one 3.1. 3.1. Yeah, it will be okay. Yeah, it will be crimped also and it will be solder also. Okay, so we can take 3.1 as the inside diameter and outside diameter C. So okay, I will take any 3.1. I will take this part number. I will take. Oh, this will be the part number for this lug, copper lug. And yeah, stud hole. This is the, okay, which one, hashtag E. Where is the hashtag E? Yeah, this one. This is for the screw fitting. Okay, so what was our purpose? We want this A for now, because we selected cable, we took any cable. Now that cable should be compatible with this terminal, right? It should be inserted properly. So that's why 3.1. Yeah, I got this part number, and now I will draw the, yeah, stud like this. Okay, stud or we can say ring terminals. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so okay. Okay, so I am not drawing accurately, but just assume here stud or ring terminal here, and how much diameter we got? This 3.1. Okay, I am taking this 3.1. Why 3.1? Because it is it is greater than this conductor diameter 3.1. Yeah, now next, this is 3.1 millimeter. Means this cable is compatible with this barrel OD. Okay, in this 3.1, this 2.87 can easily inserted, it can be crimped and it can be shouldered. Okay, now the last to a selection of heat shrink. So heat shrink we have to select. Maximum diameter here is 4.70. Okay, actually the insulation diameter for the cable is large, but it's okay. And this is 3.1, but this conductor should be go inside, condition will be anything. Okay, so the maximum diameter is 4.70. I'm just highlighting by red color. Okay, this, and the next we have to consider this diameter. Okay, maximum this and minimum is the 3.1. so for that we have to now select the heat shrink. Okay, so what should I take? I will take the supplied diameter 5 or 6. Oh, I want 6 millimeter. Okay, I want 6 millimeter. It should be supplied with this diameter. Okay, and this is the this is the heat shrink. It should be supplied with the 6 millimeter. I want to find that one. Okay, and it should be shrink up to this is 3 minimum diameter is 3.1, so it should be shrink near about at least 2.8 or 2.5. Okay, so I will note both the value. I want for near about 2.5 millimeter. Okay, it will be okay. 2.5 or yeah, 2.5, 2.8, it will be okay. So I want heat shrink having parameter both this 6 millimeter and 2.5 millimeter. So now go to the googling and go to about browser and uh, try to find which one actually, yeah, heat shrink. Heat shrink for which, how much, 6 mm, 6 millimeter heat shrink I want. Just type this and just search the, what you can say, search for this. Now okay, we'll try this first website. TE Connectivity I got by default, so we'll try to find on TE Connectivity website. TE Connectivity website is the website where you get different types of connector, terminal and all harness accessories. Okay, now what we actually were finding, heat shrink tubing, right? So yeah, here is the heat shrink. Okay, we have to go on TE heat shrink. Yeah, now this is the just last process. Once we get that heat shrink, so we just nail it and find that heat shrink. Okay, now here is the products, Racham tubing product. Yeah, actually, yeah, here is the product category. Now in this product category we'll get filter or different variety of heat shrink. We have to select from that by filtering that one. Okay, so it's near about, yeah, okay, this much. Okay, expanded inside diameter is here given. Okay, here is the shrink ratio and record inside diameter. Record inside diameter is this. Okay, how much is record inside diameter? 1.25, 1.65, 3 and 4.35. Okay, so yeah, 71 products are there, right? So just click on this. After clicking on this, we'll get near about 71 products. So from that we have to select. Yeah, now total 70 products I got, but in this I have to find for 6 mm supply diameter, and after heating it should get 2.5 or 2.8. Okay, so here expanded inside diameter, recovered inside diameter. Okay, supply diameter, here it is actually I am finding. Okay, tubing size range. Okay, 6 mm no? Okay, for 6 mm is not there, so that time you can take 5.75 also or 7.5 also. We'll try to see. Click on apply filter, expanded inside the dia. Okay, but I want filter. Okay, just remove this filter one, apply filter. Now one by one you can see also here. Okay, expanded inside the diameter. Okay, 11 mm. Okay, we'll try to see. Yeah, first one, this 11 mm we'll try to see. Click on that. Now next here you can see what they have mentioned. I want first of all the original dia which supplied. Okay, it is recurring inside diameter this much, 2.4, and yeah, 11 mm is the expanded inside diameter. Click on the feature. Now here we get product length is this much. Okay, expand inside diameter, record inside it, tubing size range. Okay, yeah, here is the tubing size range. Mean this tube is having okay, first of all go to the documents, click on this, directly download the data sheet. In data sheet you will get whole clarity actually. Okay, because all data is mentioned over there, we can select properly. Okay, yeah, here it is the chart. Minimum expanded ID, here it is millimeter. In our case we want for minimum should be 6 mm. We want for 6 mm. Okay, for 6 mm 5.75 not okay. 7.5 is there. Okay, 7.5 minimum expanded ID, and I maximum record jacket ID, minimum record jacket all, minimum record total. Okay, so maximum record jacket ID is here. Okay, so when I use this 7.5, here is the capital D and here is the capital D. Okay, capital D means inside diameter. What is the inside diameter of this? 7.50. If I took this 7.50, okay, and I heat that heat shrink, then it shrink up to 3.7 3.45. Okay, so what is in our case? Okay, we want for 2.5. 3.45 it's not compatible to our case, so here is the 5.75 supplied with the 5.75, and 5.75 can be easily inserted on the cable as well as it can be inserted on this barrel. Okay, because here is maximum is 4.70 and here is the 5.75 which is maximum it can insert in the cable. Okay, and what is maximum record jacket ID, this small d, after eating how much it will be? It is 2.65. Okay, so in our case, yeah, it will be totally okay. Why? Because minimum is 3.1 and it is shrinking up to 2.65. So for that we can select this heat shrink part number, first one in our case. So in this way what we learn in this video, how to select heat shrink, how to design this, or not design but how to select heat shrink for given cable or ring terminal. Okay, so if you are new on the channel, kindly subscribe the channel. It's my humble request. Thank you very much friend for watching this video and supporting to me.